There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas. I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if not, then everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she.
Y'all, hey, it's your girl A. So I hope you all are having like an amazing day when y'all are watching this. And this video is being sponsored by Unice Hair. Now, we have worked with Unice Hair many a time. So come on, honey, get with me. We have a pre-everything lace front, an elastic, removable, adjustable band lace front, a adjustable straps in the nape with a drawstring lace front. Now, this is pre-everything, so it has been pre-bleached, pre-tinted, pre-styled, pre-cut. It's got pre-everything. But I myself did bleach some of the unit. Now, in the beginning, you did see there were a little bit of speckles on the unit while it was on the mannequin head. I'm very picky. I do need all of my knots to be bleached. And as for that got-to-be styling foam that I just showed real quick, it is no longer available, honeys. No longer available. I'm sorry. I did purchase that so many years ago from the Dollar Tree when they were exactly $1. And I was able to purchase many cans. So that's my last can on hand. What I tell y'all, I'm trying to use up all my product, all my styling product. So girls, let's talk about this unit now. You know, Unice Hair is available on Amazon. They also are available on AliExpress if you choose to look there, and they do have their own website. They do specialize in pre-everything units. Now, sometimes you may get a unit that may not be to your preference. As you see here, I am pre-plucking the hairline a little bit because I like what I like and you like what you like. However, I do respect the fact that they don't pre-pluck too much because each person has their own preference. And if you choose to pre-pluck a little bit more, then you do that on your own time. Now, here's the thing about Unice Hair. They are very, very affordable. The hair is amazing. This is one of their 24-inch 7x5 lace frontals. Now, this is a pre-everything unit, so it has already been semi-pre-bleached for you, lightly pre-bleached. They cannot deep bleach or else the hair is going to fall out, okay? It's also been plucked just to give you a natural hairline, styled, and all that greatness. This is a 180% 24-inch Brazilian water wave. And right there is just a little bit of what I did with that kind of like pen. That is an eyebrow pen. I just wanted to put a little bit of darkness in certain areas that I had maybe skimped or maybe added too much bleach. Now, like I said, this is a water wave and it comes already curly, as you've seen. But once I washed it, the curls were not as deep as I like for them. So I just take my wand right here, my little tiny wand, and I just go ahead and twirl it on or wrap it on real quick and pull it right off and pull it. So wrapping it on, just like so, wrap it on real quick and then just yank it off or like pull it off and you stretch it, kind of like stretch the hair so the curls are not tight. And that's what I do throughout the unit. And if you want tighter curls, then you're definitely not going to stretch when you have, pulled it off of the curler. But if you want them more loose, definitely you want to stretch the curls out. And this is the part that you are very aware of and that I've done this in many, many videos prior. So I'm pretty sure I don't need to keep continuously talking about this hair. But Unice Hair is available on Amazon. And y'all know what I say about Amazon. Amazon Prime, get your own time, girl. Come on, ladies, you already know. Amazon is where we get all of our beauty needs for exceptional, affordable prices. Not always is Amazon affordable, but I promise you, you will not be disappointed with any of the units from Unice Hair. They're very affordable. This is virgin Brazilian water wave hair, 24 inches, 180% density. So if you like it full, baby, then you definitely could get a unit from Unice. They have many to choose from, so just take a look on their Amazon store. I'll link everything in the description down below for this particular unit.
Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how.
Now ladies, this wig came out really pretty, especially with the added extra curls. If you like a more looser wave, then you go for it. But I decided just a little bit more deeper curls. The hairline looks great. It's melted. The lace is melted, baby. Do it like it's your B-day. Okay. Do it like you born to slay. Do you see the curls in this unit? The length is divine. The fullness is right there, girl. Everything is perfect with this Unice wig. Now, y'all know I always work with them a lot. So with that being said, they definitely are good company. And y'all see, no hairspray, no glue, no nothing. Just a little bit of that styling foam for my baby hairs, and we are all good to go. So this is definitely a glueless wig install. For all of you ladies who don't like to use any type of adhesive, you can definitely use a Unice unit without any type of adhesives. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check the description box. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.
Sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should